In this video, I'm going to show you how to export as PDF on Craft. So if you want to export your document as a PDF in Craft using your iPhone, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So first, open the Craft app on your iPhone and make sure you're on the document or workspace you want to export. Now once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots icon. After tapping the three dots, a menu will appear with several options. So from this menu, tap on Export As. You have three choices: Export as Markdown, Text Bundle, or PDF. Tap on PDF. After selecting PDF, the app will start preparing your document for export. Once it's ready, a share screen will appear. So from here, you can choose what you want to do with the PDF. So you can tap Save to Files and store it on your iPhone. Or you can also choose apps like Mail or Messages to send it. If you want to keep a copy on your device, simply click Save to Files, select a folder, and click on Save. Now your document will now be exported and saved as a PDF. And that's it. That's how you export a document as a PDF in Craft on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.